pleasant day, ma'am. I will be presenting my event concept proposal. First, we have the event letter for Mr. Evasco, our client, and the letter is about for the Youth Empowerment Seminar for May 22 to 23, 2026, with the theme of Unleash Your Potential, Navigating Your Career Path. The next is about our company history. So, the PG event is located at Magsaysay Street, Sorsogon City. Established year 2019, we offer a personalized services ranging from simple party packages to a complete event planning. And we manage every detail from start to finish with our high quality equipment. So, our company is here to help and we are flexible and client focused, also working wherever you need us. And we are committed to provide excellent service to all clients, no matter the size of the event they want. And about the logo, the PJ event logo is designed for business branding, aiming to create a business memorable mark, represent energy and creativity. And the mission is to deliver an exceptional event experience that empower and connect individuals and communities, with a vision to be the leading event company for creativity, commitment to excellence of every event we undertake. And our goals and objectives is to ensure all events to meet and exceed customer expectations in terms of creativity and execution, establish and maintain long-term relationships with our clients through exceptional service, and implement and explore new technologies to enhance event ideas and creative concepts. Okay. About the event, so the event title is Youth Empowerment Seminar with the theme of Unleash Your Potential, Navigating Your Career Path. When is May 22 to 23, a 2-day seminar at Sorsogon Convention Center with 700 participants. So, the objectives of the event is to inspire and motivate young individuals to pursue their career dreams and to provide practical career guidance and resources to help them succeed in the future. And lastly, to create a platform, networking, and mentorship opportunities. The goal of this event is to inspire and motivate young people to identify and discover their uniqueness, strengths, passions, and interests, enabling them to make informed decisions about their future careers. So, the main activity of this event is to feature successful professionals from various fields who can share their experiences and insights to our young people. And this seminar also designed to be a interactive and with activities that will encourage youth for an active participation. For the SWOT analysis, strength, excellent staff and service, memorable experience for our guests, and also commitment to our service. The weaknesses of our company is a limited budget, not enough advertising, and the opportunities is partner with other companies, get support from governments and our clients, and use of new technologies. While the threats is usually the competitors, the bad weather, pricing of material costs, and limited availability of materials. And here's our company organizational structures. So I'm the manager, Pamela Gayola, Justin Galleria as assistant manager, Claire Gutierrez as logistics manager, Alian Maynadzali as creative and design department, and Raylene Galleria as finance department, and food and beverages manager is Paula Dulay. And here's our or every manager's duties and responsibilities. So here's the other services we offered. For the accommodation, so the venue of the seminar, a 2-day seminar is the Pawpaw Hotel. So the Pawpaw Hotel is a clean and comfortable hotel known for its accessibility and good food. And it features a air-conditioned rooms, a restaurant with a lounge, buffet, and is conveniently located near by the Baywalk. So the hotel amenities of Pawpaw Hotel includes a TV with cable, mini refrigerator, strong Wi-Fi, and the cold air conditioning, and also the bathroom includes a hot and cold shower and amenity kit. For the rooms and bedrooms of Pawpaw Hotel, they have four types of rooms: the deluxe queen, the deluxe twin, the deluxe trio, and the suite room. For the transportation, for the air transportations, we have the Cebu Pacific. For the land transportation is the modern jeepney at the Bicol Isarog. For the catering services, we choose to partner to Domingo's Restaurant and Catering Services, which is located at Balogo, Sorsogon City in front of SM Sorsogon. The exclusive menus are crafted to meet individuals' needs, while impeccable services ensures a truly memorable experience and worth celebrating. And here's the food packs. And for the auxiliary services, the photography. So our company partners with the Sinag Vision. As you can see, the auxiliary services I put on my event concept is only the photography. For the itinerary, here is the itinerary from day 1 to day 2. Okay, for the venue layout of the convention center. Okay, for the budget plan. Okay, for the accommodation and venue rental, hotel accommodation, convention center with a total of 310,000. For the food, snacks, lunch, dinner with a total of 350,000. Transportation, 120,000. The auxiliary services with a total of 26,500. Even though I did not put medical team fee and auxiliary services, but I included in the budget plan. For the speaker expenses with a total of 21,900, and the miscellaneous expenses with a total of 45,000, with a subtotal of 872,900. For the live-in, for the live-out is 572,900. For the VAT or value-added tax with a 12% is 104,748 for the live-in and 68 1,748 for the live out. For the professional fee is 139,664 and 91,664. For the contingency fund of 14% is 122,206 and 80,206 for the leave out, with a grand total of 366,818 for the live in, and leave out is 240,618. Or the registration fee for the live-in is 523.74 per person, while the leave-out is 334.74 centavos, and the discrepancy is 180 pesos. Okay, here's the destinations of Sorsogon Province. We have a Bulusan Lake, Subic Beach of Matnog, the Museo Sorsogon, of course, and the Sorsogon Sports Complex. And we have here the Memorandum of Agreement. And that's all for my event concept.